Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you an easy, step-by-step guide on how to resize images in Canva without cropping them. So let's get started. First, make sure you've opened the Canva editor and are ready to go. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Elements tab. Go ahead and click on it. From there, you can browse Canva Photo Library or even upload your image using the Uploads tab. Once you've selected your image, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Now, you'll notice small, circular dots around the edges of the image. These are your resizing controls. You can click and drag these dots to make the image larger or smaller, depending on your needs. Canva also gives you full control over the image's aspect ratio while resizing, which is super handy if you're looking for a specific fit. Here's a quick tip. If you want to set the image as your project's background, simply right-click on the image and select Set Image as Background. While this looks great, you'll notice that the resizing dots disappear when the image is used as the background. This means you won't be able to manually adjust its size anymore. But don't worry, if you ever need to resize it again, just right-click the image and select Detach Image from Background. The resizing dots will reappear, letting you adjust the image freely. Now let's talk about more precise resizing. If you want to resize an image to specific dimensions, Canva has a great feature for that. First, select the image by clicking on it. Then, go to the Position section in the top toolbar, where you'll see the image's actual dimensions on the left-hand sidebar. Take note of these dimensions because you'll need them in the next step. Once you have the dimensions, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Resize button. A menu will pop up where you can choose a custom size. From here, simply input the width and height dimensions you just noted, and Canva will resize the image to your exact specifications. However, one important thing to note, this feature is only available for Canva Premium users. If you're on a free account, Canva will prompt you to upgrade before you can use this tool. But don't worry, Canva offers a free 30-day trial of premium features, so you can test it out and decide if it's worth the upgrade. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you now know how to resize images in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more quick and easy tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.